Welcome to our video on rubber gym flooring installation. Installing rubber gym flooring may seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and techniques, it can be a simple and rewarding process. Rubber gym flooring is an excellent choice for gyms and fitness centers as it provides safety and durability. Installing rubber gym flooring may seem like a daunting task, but it can be accomplished with just a few steps. Step 1. Prepare the floor. Before installing the rubber gym flooring, ensure that the floor is clean and smooth. Remove any debris and clean the floor with a suitable cleaning solution. Step 2. Measure and cut the flooring. Measure the dimensions of the area where you want to install the rubber gym flooring. Use a tape measure to get accurate measurements. Then, use a utility knife or a rubber cutter to cut the rubber gym flooring to fit the measurements of the area. Step 3. Install the flooring. Start at one corner of the room and lay the rubber gym flooring down. Ensure that the edges of the flooring are straight and aligned with the walls. Use a roller or a heavy object to press the rubber gym flooring firmly onto the floor. Continue installing the rubber gym flooring until the entire area is covered. Step 4. Trim the edges. After the rubber gym flooring has been installed, trim the excess rubber around the edges using a utility knife or a rubber cutter. Ensure that the edges are straight and aligned with the walls. Step 5. Clean up. Clean up any excess debris or rubber shavings from the installation process. Sweep the area thoroughly and mop the floor with a suitable cleaning solution. In conclusion, installing rubber gym flooring is a simple process that can be completed with just a few steps. By following this step-by-step guide, you can have a safe and durable rubber gym flooring installed in your gym or fitness center.